have understood carbohydrates, correct? That was the component of the first component of the food which we have understood. So in this session, let us understand the next component of the food, that is the proteins. So when I talk about the proteins, proteins are very essential to our body, children. You all should consume the good amount of proteins to your body because you all are growing, right? It's the right time or the high time that you all are developing. So as you all are developing, taking the proteins to your body is must. It is very, very essential. So then why we have to take the protein? What is the need of taking the protein to our body? You know, proteins, it plays a very important role that it helps in developing our cells in the body. We all know that to construct a house, what is the basic thing we need? We need the bricks, right? Similarly, to construct our body, the cells are playing a major role. Our body is constructed by cells, okay? And for that cells to grow and to develop, the proteins are very, very essential, okay? Proteins are playing a very important role in developing the cells which are present in our body. This is the first thing. And second important thing is the proteins, it also develops the cells, thereby it repair the worn-out cells. That means it repair the damaged cells. For example, if your cells have been damaged inside your body, or if you met with a small accident, what happened? Your cells get damaged inside your body, and that cells which are being damaged inside your body to repair, okay, to become better, what happened? These proteins are helping. So taking the proteins to our body helps to repair the damaged cells and also to develop the cells which are already present in our body. Okay? And now we came to know that we have to take the proteins. But where do we get proteins from? You know that we get proteins from both the plants as well as animals. Some of the sources of the proteins are, when I talk about the plants, we have soya bean, we have cereals, and we have tofu, all these things. When we eat all these things, what happens? We get good amount of proteins to our body. Similarly, for non-vegetarians, see, if you consume fish, if you consume egg, if you consume chicken, all these are rich in proteins. Okay, so both veg and non-veg, both are having the proteins, the good amount of proteins in it. And when we consume all these things, what happen? Our body gets sufficient amount of proteins too. And it's high time for you all children that you all are growing, right? And you do a lot of activities, and your body also requires proteins, because you just do a lot of activity and thereby you also develop, you grow, right? It is not that we are growing instantly. Within a day we will not grow. It's a continuous process, right? Growth is a continuous process, and for this process we need protein. Proteins help to develop your body, so don't forget to take the proteins. Okay, so in next session I will be explaining you the fats, what are fats and why it is important to our body, children. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.